The next problem which we have is as the catalog price. What do you mean by catalog price? Mark price, list price, catalog price, all these are the same thing. Of a TV set is rupees 24,000. The shopkeeper gives a discount of 8% on the listed price. That is nothing but rupees 24,000. He further gives off-season discount of 5%. In this sum, we got two discounts given. And then the rate of sale tax is 10%, which is charged. So mark price, discount, and then you add what? Sale tax. Let's see the first question what is asked. First internal part of this question. Find the sale tax amount a customer has to pay. Now that will come later on after what? Discounts. So my first job is what? To find the price after discount. Let's start finding the price after the first discount. See what is given to us. Mark price is rupees 24,000. First discount is 8%. Second discount is 5%. And the rate of sale tax is what? 10%. Price after first discount will be 24,000 minus 8% of 24,000. That is nothing but 24,000 minus 1920. After subtraction, what I get is rupees 22,080 rupees, 22080. This is the price after the first discount. But there is one more discount, that's what off-season discount of 5%. So the price after second discount of 5% will be 22,080 rupees minus 5% of 22,080. That is nothing but 22080 minus 1104. After subtraction, what I get is rupees 20,976, 20,976. This is the price after two discount. But the problem says find the sale tax. Now sale tax of 10% will be charged on 20,976. That is 10% of 20,976, which comes to 2097.60 paisa. 2,097 rupees 60 paisa is the sale tax, which is 10%. And the second part of the question says find the final price of the color TV. When I say final price, the price after two discount plus the sale tax, that is 20,976 plus 2,097.60 paisa. You add them, you club them together, and what you get is 23,073 rupees 60 paisa. 23073.60. That's the answer. Now we pick up a totally different type of sum in this chapter. Let's read the sum what is given. There is one female, Meenal, goes to buy a radio set costing rupees 1,274. The rate of sale tax is 4%. She asks the shopkeeper to reduce the price to such an extent that she has to pay only rupees 1,274. Calculate the reduction needed in the original mark price. Now this looks a bit impossible. With the mark price itself is given what? 1,274. Then there is what? Sale tax, and then there comes selling price, sale price. But she's not willing to pay anything more than what? 1,274. The final agreed price is what? 1,274. 1,274 plus something should give you what? 1,274. Looks impossible. That means there is some reduction needed in the original mark price. In short, we have to find the new mark price. Let the new mark price or the change mark price be X. And as per the given condition, what do we get? X plus 4% of x will give me what? 1274. Further down simplification, what I get is x plus 4x upon 100 is equal to 1274. That is nothing but 104x upon 100 is equal to 1274. After cross multiplication, what I get, x is equal to 1225. 1225 is the changed mark price. So what's the reduction needed in the original mark price? Is rupees 1274 minus 1225. That is nothing but rupees 49. So rupees 49 is the reduction needed in the original mark price. Now let's pick up some very important sum of this chapter. I really mean it. They are very, very good sums. Let's read one of them, which is given to you. Karan buys goods worth rupees 12,000. In the bracket, inclusive of all taxes. What else given? From Agra. That doesn't make much difference. He spends 2,800 on transportation. Then, how much will a consumer pay if he keeps a profit of 20% and the sale tax paid is what? 5%. Now, first of all, you should find the cost price for Karan. Let's go to find the cost price. Cost price is what? 12,000 plus the cost of what? Transportation. This is the actual cost price. He bought the goods for how much? 12,000, but the transportation cost has incurred of 2,800. Now the cost price is no more 12,000. The actual cost price will be 12,000 plus the cost of transportation, that is 2,800. If I club them together, if I add them together, I get 14,800. Now 14,800 is the cost price for Karan. Now he'll not try to sell at this price because there's no profit involved into it. There's no sense in selling it. The problem says he keeps a profit of how much? 20%. That means he is marking the goods above the cost price. Let's find the mark price. Mark price is 14,800 plus the profit, that is 20% of 14,800. That is nothing but 14,800 plus 2,960. Now 2,960 is the profit which has to be included into the cost price to give the mark price. After adding, what you get is 17,760. Now this 17,760 is the mark price of the product which Karan is selling it. But what is the sale tax? You have to find out the sale price. So the mark price plus sale tax will give me what? Sale price. We got a mark price how much? 17,760 plus 5%, that's a sale tax on 17,760, which comes to rupees 888. That is the amount of sale tax. So the price at which the product is available or the price at which the product is sold by Karan is 17,760 plus the tax 888. If you club them together, what you get? Rupees 18,648. So 18,648 is the price which the consumer has to pay. A very important sum is there now. Next one. A really important sum. Let's check it out. What is given to you? T2 Singh buys goods for rupees 2000. He's buying the goods for rupees 2000 and spend 30% of the cost on its packing. Now these are all overhead expenses. Now this will increase the cost price because you are spending something more after buying the product. After marking the goods at a certain price, that means we have to find this price. It's not given to you. He sells them at rupees 4480. 4,480 is the selling price. Now see what is given to you in the bracket, including 12% sale tax. Now this price is including the sale tax. Okay, let's see. Find the profit as a percent. Now something very interesting in this sum. To find the profit, you should know the cost price and the selling price. And the selling price means the entire money should come to the person who's selling the thing. In this sum, the selling price says including sale tax. Now the amount of sale tax will not come to T2 Singh. Amount of sale tax will go to Government of India. So we have to find a price which comes only to T2 Singh. That is the price excluding sale tax. That is nothing but the mark price. Because the mark price is a price which is excluding the sales tax. So in short, I have to find two things in this to find the profit. First is the cost price, and second, a price which exclude the sale tax. That means the price excluding sale tax, that is mark price. Let's first start finding the cost price. How to go for it? Cost price is 2000 plus the packing charge. That is 2000 plus 30% of 2000. That is 2000 plus 600, which gives me 2600. Now 2600 is the cost price. If I'm selling more than this, so I'm at a profit. If I'm selling less than that, I'm at a loss. Now I have to find a price which is excluding the sales tax, because sales tax goes to the Government of India, not it comes into the pocket of T2 Singh. That is nothing but we are finding the mark price, which actually comes into his pocket. How to find? Let the mark price be 100. And the sum, if you read the sum very carefully, the rate of sale tax is given to you what? 12%. So we get a selling price 100 plus 12% of 100, that is what the selling price. So if I take the mark price 100, the selling price is what? 112. But in the same sum, selling price is given to you what? Rupees 4,480. So what will be the mark price? Let the mark price be what? X. By unitary method, after further simplification, we get X is equal to 4480 into 100 upon 112. Further down, it gives me what? X is equal to what? 4000. Now this 4000 is the mark price. The price at which he is selling, which does not include the sales tax. Now profit is equal to 4000 minus 2600, the cost price. That is rupees 1400. But I have to find the profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP into 100. That is 1400 upon 2600 into 100. That gives me 700 upon 13 percentage. That is 53 whole 11 upon 13%. That is the profit percent. Picking up our next important sum in the same chapter of sale tax. Let's read the sum. Sharad Kumar buys goods at a discount of 10% on the printed price. Now in this sum, the printed price is not given. So my first job is to find the printed price. Because without finding the printed price, I cannot find the cost price. And see further what is given, what is asked in the same question. He spent rupees 80 on transportation. Now this even 80 has to be added to the cost price to find the actual cost price. After sale tax of 5%, he sells it for 2625, 2625. This is the sale price, which includes the sale tax. Let's see what else is given to you. Find his gain percent. Now to find the gain, to find the profit, I should know the cost price and the actual price which is coming to his pocket, the actual money which is coming to the trader, to the seller. Now the sale price which is given to you, 2625, includes the sale tax. I don't want a price which includes the sale tax. I want a price which is excluding the sale tax. In short, I should know the mark price. Let's find first the mark price in this sum. It's not given to you. Let's go on for assumption. Let the mark price be rupees 100. If the mark price is 100, they are given the sale tax is what? 5%. Mark price plus sale tax will give me what? Selling price. So I'm assuming mark price to be 100. Rate of sale tax is what? 5%. So selling price will become what? 105. We'll go for unitary method. If mark price taken what? 100, selling price coming to what? Rupees 105. But if the selling price is rupees 2625, what will be the mark price? After cross multiplication and after further simplification, I get the answer X is what? 2500. Now this 2500 is nothing but what? The mark price. Now let's read the sum once again. Sharad Kumar buys goods at a discount of 10% on the printed price. So what's the cost price? 10% below the mark price. That means mark price minus what? 10% of it. Let's go to find the cost price. Cost price is equal to 2500 minus 10% of what? 2500, because there's a discount. That is 2500 minus 250. That will give me 2250. Now this is nothing but the cost price. But he has spent 80 rupees more on transportation. Now this will again add up to the cost. So we are finding now the actual cost price of the product. That is 2250 plus 80. That comes to what? 2330. That's the actual cost of a product, of a good which is sold by Sharad Kumar. Now we have to find the profit. Now profit is equal to 2500 minus 2330. Why 2500 I have taken? Because that is the price which excludes the sale tax. That's the money which is coming to the Sharad Kumar. So 2500 minus 2330, that is rupees 170. So I got a profit 170. I got a cost price also with me. So I can find the profit percentage. Profit percentage is profit upon CP into 100. That is 170 upon 2330 into what? 100. Further simplification gives me 1700 upon 233 percentage. So profit enjoyed by Sharad Kumar is 7 whole 69 upon 233 percentage. Now we are entering into a very important part of this chapter. That is problems on VAT. What is VAT? Value added tax. You buy something for 100, you sell for 120, the value added is 20 over here. Tax will be on rupees 20. You'll understand more when you do the sum. Let's pick up a sum on this. Deepen Tolia buys a TV set for rupees 15,000 and sells it to a customer for 18,000. Very smart fellow. He buys for 15, sells it to a customer for 18. He makes a margin or a profit of 3,000. Now this is what the value added by Deepen Tolia. Find the VAT paid by Deepen if the VAT rate is 10%. A very simple calculation. You buy for 15, sell for 18. The value enhanced or increased was 3,000. So the VAT will be charged on that rupees 3,000. See how to find it out. Rate of VAT is 10%. Value added is 18,000 minus 15,000. That gives me what? 3,000. And VAT is 10% of 3,000 because the rate of VAT is given you 10%. After further calculation, I get rupees 300. So VAT paid by Deepen is rupees 300. Very simple sum. I hope you understood that.